god, look at my hair. Yes, it's been one of those mornings. Okay, so let me put my hair up. So I am so grateful. Well, me and my mom are so grateful. We have an online business, if you guys are new to my page. So over the weekend, some people have been placing orders. So we have 3 orders. Usually I've been doing like a little series where I only have 1 order a day. I like doing this series actually. But so now we're shipping 3. That's so amazing. Oh my god, this is broke. Look. What the hell? Okay, that's fine. How is that one like that? Actually, I can fix it, but like I'm kind of rushing. Today is gonna be a busy day. I have to get my car brakes fixed. I have an appointment at 1, so I want to ship these orders. Yeah. And the thing is, I didn't even wake up late today. I was just catching up on the gossip in the world. So yeah. Especially it's this it's a transgender woman. She has been exposing a lot of like famous men for sleeping on her, and I've been just watching. What size is that one?
Taco wants medium and Don wants large.
Oh, we doing so good. Okay, I'm gonna do Riri order first.
Okay.
But yeah, so I've been watching some of the gossip on that. I know, my guilty pleasure. All right, so Riri, she ordered 2 purses.
Yeah.
It's gonna have to go in this big box. It's a little damaged, but it is fine.
Tape the little box.
What are you talking about?
Tape it.
Tape it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It looks a little bit better.
But yeah, so this transgender, she is exposing like men in the industry. Some are rappers, some basketball players, and she has the receipts. Like, she has the receipts to prove it. And like, she tells her followers, she has a large following, she be telling her followers to go to their page. It's a lot. Okay, so she ordered, I'm gonna insert some pictures so you guys can see how it looks. And we don't have time to do all that theatrics today. Taking the air out. And each customer gets cute little gift set. Yes, this is Riri. Look at her. But yeah, go check it out if you want some gossip. I don't know if I should be promoting that, but it's just like, and I was reading some of the comments too under that, and a lot of men was on them saying like, don't you guys consider yourself real women, so why are you exposing people? And I'm like, that is true though. They identify as real women, so it shouldn't be a problem. But yeah. She need to be a little safe though, because a lot of men don't like that, you know, being exposed. And I just realized you can't see anything that I'm doing. Alright, it's fine. I have 2 more packages to This is so, I probably should package it at the, we should did this last night actually. The hole in it, oh my god, these boxes. And my phone's charging, so I'm really not mindful of the time. Now, I know my room is a freaking, hold up. Okay, it's good. I know the room's a mess, but yeah. Oh my god, why they all ripping like this? Maybe because they're too old. I'm gonna have to fix these later. I don't have time to really. I got extra. You guys know I take extra when I go to the post office. This one's good. Okay. Some better tape. I feel like this isn't. enough. Size medium. Taco. Replace that.
Need by Saturday.
Okay. That's why I was like, what's she giving she giving a hell of a discount.
Well, remember our sale? She was interested during the sale time, but I didn't have her green, so she couldn't order.
Oh, okay.
So then I was like, okay, I'm gonna keep the sale for you.
Okay, so if she wanted by a certain day.
But Saturday is good, because usually it takes 2 days, right?
Yeah. Okay, and okay, and this is for taco. That's a large. Okay.
You gonna tape the edges?
You want to do it?
No, I thought you were gonna get to the post office and do it.
Okay. All right. 2.
Okay, that's 2.
Alright, here's the last one. I know it's like 12 o'clock. We gotta go. I'm gonna have to retape it when I get to the post office. Now, if you want to use their tape, it's free. They ship priority. But they also have tape you can buy. It's like $7. It's so expensive. So we can use their tape because we ship in priority. Oh, see. We need a better system.
We got a cool system.
You said what?
We got a cool system.
Yeah, we do. Okay. I'm still gonna use some of their tape.
You doing the gifts?
Yes. I'm pressed for time.
What? Oh.
And she bought the olive, right? Let me check the receipt. My purchase. Alright, I had to check to make sure it was the right size. Everybody get a gift. And this is a return customer. So,
Yeah.
we love return customers. You don't think he's struggling? Hold on.
I can pull the box on.
Alright, put the box on top of it, yeah. She see me. There we go.
Oh, that looks gorgeous.
It does. It's perfect. Now we're rushing, guys. Alright. Okay. Alright. All three's ready. Let's go, guys. We gotta go. Oh, wait. Go subscribe to my channel. That line was crazy. Alright, so I'm looking. There's a lot going on right here. But I'll figure out later. Anyway, so I am late. I'm supposed to get my brakes fixed. That's my phone. I'm supposed to get my brakes fixed at 1. It is 1 now. I was making amazing time. Hopefully they don't give me no shit for being late. But they shouldn't, right? Alright, I'm just gonna see you guys when I get there because we need to get there. I am leaving. They said it'll take a couple of hours. She said since I'm late, the guy is going to lunch, so I'm gonna have to wait. Different. No. Oh my god. Wait. So I've been waiting inside of Denny's for my car to be ready. So let me backstory. I just got my car serviced. I got an oil change. They said that my brakes are bad. I need to be replaced. So he said it'll cost $650. So I'm like, okay. I didn't want to pay $650, so we went somewhere to a different spot over here. And first they had to check everything, right? So he just called me. He said, whoever told you that your brakes are bad lied to you. And I'm like, what the, like, wait. I'm walking over there now because I don't know. I don't know how I feel. I am glad I don't have to pay for anything, but so yeah, he said my brakes are really thick and there's nothing wrong. But I swear the guy told me it cost $600. You know what? Hold on. This is crazy. I don't know if you guys heard. Well, okay. I don't know how to think. I don't know what to think. So, you guys know I was waiting. I didn't even have to go to Denny's, wasting money. And the meal was nasty. Wasted my money. $16 over there. So I came over here because I don't know if you were here for my last vlog. I went to get an oil change. It cost $150 for an oil change, right? So, after I got my oil change, the guy who worked there, he said your brakes are really bad and you need to replace them immediately. And I said, oh my god, like, and he said, and I said how much that was gonna cost. He said $650. And I have a paper where he told me that. So I'm like, okay, $650. And then I'm like, that's too expensive. So I went to this spot over here. I don't know if you guys consider this the hood, but whatever. So I came over here and I scheduled an appointment and whatever, took like 2 hours. They just called me and they said, your car is fine. Your car is fine. And mind you, over here is only like $200 to get your brakes fixed. So I said, wait. You said my brakes are not bad. He said your brakes are really thick. You have about 2 to 3 years left on your brakes. And I said, are you serious? And I explained something like, I just got oil change. They said my brakes are really bad and it costs $650 to fix it. And he said they try and get over on you. That is not, I am so freaking upset because I feel like if I was a man, this would not happen. It would not happen if I was a man. Because of course I don't know anything about cars, like I said, and they trying to get over on me. Like, what the hell? I'm so upset. Okay, but I'm relieved I don't have to pay for it. All right, I do have to do, I'm just relieved. I'm so glad I didn't pay the $650 because I was not gonna pay $650. So yeah, it's 4 o'clock. I need to do homework. I have one paper that's due. It's not due until Saturday, but on Saturday I have to go to a homegoing service, a funeral for my friend who recently passed of cancer. And he was only, I think he was like 32, same age around. Yeah, I think he was about 32. Still sad. So of course that day I don't want to redo anything but celebrate his life. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do this paper tonight. But yeah, I am very relieved. Hold on. I had a message at the farm. Alright, since it's 4, it's a farmer's market I drive past all the time. I'm thinking about stopping by to see what's going on there. Cause I always tell myself I want to go, and today's Tuesday. And I start school next week. So when I start school, I'm not gonna have literally no time to really enjoy because I have school literally all day on Tuesday. So I guess we can go and check it out because why not? Maybe just for like 30 minutes just to see how it is. And then yeah, I just cannot believe, I could believe it because I'm a woman and I don't know anything about cars, and he probably know like, oh, I can get money out of her because she'll know what the hell. And then the guy was saying there, only get your brakes fixed if it's squeaking, making a noise, or all that stuff. So I'm like, okay. Oh my god, I'm so glad I went there though. But I was damn for sure I was not gonna pay $650 for the brakes. I was not going to with them. Anyway. More of the story is, when you try to get your car fixed, go with the man. And that's sad. Okay, so this is how the farmer's market is. And it's like, no music. It's just I guess it's all food. That's what it looked like so far to me. It's nice. Very quiet.
Example, guys, garlic basil chicken thighs.
This is cute. Okay. It is cold. I am about to go back to the car.